Previously, I made a couple of videos showing you my DIY single meal and also a 12-hour MRE. You can find links in the description below for those videos. I then had a request from a viewer to create other MREs. So in this video, I'll show you two of my latest DIY MRE creations. So these are my small and mini DIY MREs. If you look at the size of the containers I used for the single meal and 12-hour, they are pretty large. These new ones are much smaller. For all my MREs, I try to include a ready-to-drink beverage, some carbs, and some protein. And if I can, I'll include some fruits and veggies. And everything must be shelf-stable, of course. The first one is my DIY small MRE. As you can see, I'm also using a plastic food-grade container. See my video on MRE food containers and components. Link is in the description below. This container costs $1.50 from a place called Daiso. You may notice that I had to fold or bend some of the food packages to get them to fit in the container. I guess if I don't mess with it too much after packing it, the packaging should not be compromised in any way. The size of the container is about 3.5 inches tall, 5 inches in length, and 3.25 inches wide. $15.4 ounces for the small DIY MRE. First you have a Capri Sun, ready to drink. A paper towel or napkin. Salted peanuts and crackers. I also made a video on where to get these components. Link will be in the description. Starkist tuna creations, herb and garlic. Here's the spoon. I modified it so it can fit in the container. Some coffee and lemonade drink mix, just in case you do have some water. It's not required in here, but I decided to throw it in. And that's my small DIY MRE that fits into this small container. This is my DIY Mini MRE. These containers come in a 2-pack for $1.50 from Daiso as well. This is a small container with a press-fit lid, so I'm using a rubber band just to make sure it doesn't open up accidentally. The size of the container is about 1.75 inches tall, 5 inches in length, and about 3 inches wide. $11.2 ounces for the mini DIY MRE. First you have some crackers. A Minute Maid ready to drink juice box. There are 4 small Slim Jim meat sticks. And that's my mini DIY MRE that fits into this small container. Well, that's my DIY small and mini MRE. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more of my videos. Also, please consider donating to my channel so I can make more videos for you. You will find a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your support, and have a great day.